Ka suka jelam tak sengi ka khasau tarik naiweng ajal pesan kala manjur ban Thied Jaka Shuh sa lai pesan akar ha Tynring New Shillong nak benta ban sina ya ka knowledge city ban kenria nak barim syaka batamai ka jingang ka kanhun menteri ka pediang ya kani berkador jong ka Jaka kat kum kador belabu dak disi ri beniu kalong ahjak nai spa si square meter ya kani la pentip dom ti soka budai ru no aikten ke soka jela ba wairat miki sila hadin ba wai kabinet kiwei pat kira ke kabinet akan dikesengi kilong kajing menjur ia kajing pengkala ya ke rule 6D ke ministerial district and establishment service rule ajal khatnyo ban pendap hadu 100% jong ki group D ya ki rikula casual worker katkum ke office memorandum sejak nai spak nai pendreu ka kabinet ka pediang yu ru ya ka service ru jong kemikaya state consumer dispute redressal commission hak bakal don la ka jong ka recruitment board pat ban thung biang ya presiden kemikaya state consumer dispute redressal commission hadin blakut kapor bat la menjul biang ya justice Shibaji Pandi kumu presiden jong commission bat kumju kala menjuru ya kidkhot jong commission ke kabinet kala menjuru ya jing penkala ya kemikaya fiscal deficit and budget management rule aja absan ban sia ya jing duna pisa naga lai sika lai 0.1%.
I'm here today just to brief you all regarding the agenda for the meeting of Cabinet held today on 14th of November 2025. So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally mean like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The second one is the acquisition of additional land at Tynring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from here from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. And the third one is the amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2M of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fourth one is the service rule for the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. We are just amending on this where we are where they will be allowed to have their own recruitment board and to recruit their staff. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the president of the State Commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so he is we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey as the president. And another, we have also recommended the name of the members. The 4 members recommended are Major Unsam Bantalang Nongseit, Srimati Rupa Paul Chaudhary, Srimati Nelisa Ferret Karshieng, and Shri Bijoy A. Sangma. So these are the agenda discussed today in the cabinet. We are not in the, definitely we'll try to develop it, but as of now I think I'm not in the position to say all that because I think the urban department will be, definitely they will think of something good in order to beautify and to ease the congestion in Shillong.
And what's the timeline, sir, for completion of the acquiring of the land and building the
See, because we are in the process, because it has to be clear from the cabinet. Then only we are already in talk with the so it is, since it has been brought to the cabinet, so I think very soon it will be clear. Rate, you mean to say for the rate? So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per 35 acres.